Welcome guys, today I am with JBL Synchros E50BT and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android phone. So at the first you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50% before the pairing, and after that you have to simply focus on one of the headphones and you will find this Bluetooth button. You have to click on it once, and when you make it, this Bluetooth button will start blinking on the red and white. It means that right now we are the pairing mode. So right now these headphones are visible to other devices. So we can simply open the Bluetooth settings on our Android smartphone. Select to pair new device. Now just wait a little bit until they pop on the list. And as you can see, the JBL E50 Bluetooth, it's on our list, so we can simply tap on them once. And as you can see right now, when you got this pairing request, we have to click pair, and after a few seconds we will be successfully connected. There it is. As you can see, we are connected with our Android phone and JBL Synchros E50BT. So that's how we can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.